Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. This time we are going to see the fourth part of charts in MS Excel. In this video, I'm just going to show you two examples from your textbook about how to construct different types of charts from the data provided for you. Let's go through it one by one. Children, let's start with this example. You have a tabular column like this showing uses of water and the percentage. You have to create a pie chart for the given data. I would like to show you how to construct a pie chart for this given data. As I've already shown you before, you have to first select the table. So first step is selecting the table. Okay, we have selected the table now. Now I have to go to insert. From that, we have to look for the pie chart option. I'm going to click on the pie chart option. In that, I already told you there is a two-dimensional pie chart as well as a three-dimensional pie chart. First, I will show you a two-dimensional one. So I'm going to click on 2D pie chart. So here comes your pie chart. I'm going to reduce the size slightly and put it on the side so that you can see the data and everything together. Okay, in this pie chart, you will not be able to see the percentage of data until you keep the cursor on top of it. When I keep it on top of blue, it is showing 45% and 45% means drinking water. Once you select this area, it was already shown in the previous video, you can select different options available here. If you want to highlight the percentage, you can go for something like this. There are lots of options here in the design view. You can click on which one looks good for you. Or you can go for this view. Okay, this is one form of a pie chart. Okay, now let's try a three-dimensional pie chart for this data. Again, I'm going to select the whole thing. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert pie chart. In that, I'm going for the three-dimensional pie chart. Can you see this? I'm going to reduce the size slightly to move it to the place I have. So here I'm keeping it. Can you see this? In that also, the percentage is not shown. But then the design view is open. You can take one which shows the percentage completely if you want it this way. Or you can take it in this way, depending on how you want. There are lots of options in the design view. So the chart design gives you a lot about design, and there's again formatting tools available if you want to format it further. If you want to change the color, if you want to fill it, all these things are available. Now I would like to show you an example that is again there in your textbook. Create a bar chart with the following data to compare the average marks of two divisions of grade 7 in a school. It's an example where there are two divisions of students in grade 7 and you are asked to create a bar chart showing the marks of these two groups of children. First thing I am going to do is selecting the table as always. I'm going to click on insert. From insert, I'm going to go for the column chart. Here it is column chart. Column or bar, it is same. Column shows in one manner, bar shows in the other manner. That is, for the vertical view, you use the column chart, and for the horizontal view, you use the bar chart. Since we are asked to do a bar chart, we will be doing the bar one. So I'm going for a two-dimensional bar chart. Okay, clustered bar chart. I'm going to click on it. See, I got my bar chart. Go to resize, keep it on the side. If I want to beautify it, I can go to the design and change it colors and schemes that I like. Okay, division B is represented by red and division A is represented by blue. And if you want to see the marks, you just need to place the pointer closer to that figure. If you want the marks also shown in that, we can go to the design and select one that has the marks representation on it as well. Depends on how you want it. I've shown you in the previous video. Now, if I want to do another type of chart, I can click insert. From that, I'll have to again click on the column chart. In the column chart, I can go for the next view, that is here, this one. stacked bar chart. I'm going to click on it. See, here it changes into a stacked bar chart, one on top of the other. Again, when you point near it, you can see the value of one group, and when you point to the other, you can see the value of the other group. Since geography, they are having the same score, it will be of same length. And here it is 70 for history and 80 for division B. And the color representation is also given here. You can select any one from the following. If you select it again, and you can do it in another way too. You can even go for a three-dimensional one. Again, I'm going to click the column. In that, I'm going to take the 3D bar chart, and this is a three-dimensional bar chart. From that, you can click on what you like, either this one, however you want, you can click. Okay. Again, keeping this in mind, if you want a stacked one, you just need to go and click on insert. Again, change to stacked. See, again you get a three-dimensional stack bar. I'm just moving it down to show you. So this is how you make bar charts from the given set of data. If it is column, you need to just go for the column option, that's all. If it is a pie chart, you need to go for the pie chart option. Always remember, pie chart is used for representing a percentage of the whole. While if you're having values, either a column chart or a bar chart or a line chart is used. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Go through these things and study the concept. Thank you.